Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everybody. So I am giving here a short overview of our, let's say, science concerning asteroids, and I will point out this science with some examples. So this work has been done with colleagues from two countries, France and Romania. And you have here a group of enthusiastic astronomers, observers. So, and very, very skilled. I will start from the, let's say, basics, and I am planning now for using small assets in observing asteroids. Actually, the geometry of observation from the ground is only a few times per century for each object in the tight windows, few hours up to few weeks, and we need to secure orbit to maximize data for physical characteristics, and also coordinate. We need to anticipate coordinated campaigns for observations. Into our program, we were working with several instruments on several longitudes, several meridians. In Pic du Midi, at 3,000 meters of altitude, the telescope of 1 meter in diameter. In Réunion, Le Mac, the telescope of 0.6 meter, and also in Bucharest, Romania, with two telescopes, 0.4 and 0.5 meters. Here in this view, I need to tell you that the astrometry, we are actually alimented. We are ingested data into the MPC astrometry, but this talk will be focused just on the photometric observations. And you can see here a movie of a near-Earth object, 2018 GE, which was observed in April 14, 2018, in Bucharest. And this object has a very, very short synodical period with a huge amplitude in the light curve. Another object, which will be which was also described by Marco Micheli and also will be described by our colleague Vishnu Reddy, is 2012 TC4, which grazed the Earth in 2017, October 12. And I don't know if Marco should tell us if it is still the faintest near-Earth object ever measured by VLT. And it was observed in Bucharest in October last year. And you can see here, even with naked eye, that this object has a strong variation. And the synodical period is about 12 minutes. And also we confirm this synodical period, and its diameter is estimated to be around 20 meters for an albedo of 0.15. In Pic du Midi, we perform also astrometry, photometry, but with another objective, namely find the characteristics of possible parent body of meteor shower. This is the case for this is the example for one of our objects, the potential daytime Zeta Perseids parent body, and we have an ambiguity in the period. We have two periods. which can be discussed, 7 hours and 22 hours. And these examples show us the necessity of observations over several longitudes. And we have done this with a potential target of Destiny Plus mission, 2005 UD. We observed simultaneously from Bucharest and the Lemac Observatory. Our data were joined the coordinated international campaign for initiated by JAXA. You can see here in this view graph how beautiful the minimum of this light curve is completed with data from Bucharest Observatory and also with data from MAC in Réunion. This is the composite light curve, best fit that we found with our data, with a synodical period around 5 hours, which is in agreement with the literature and also the observations made during this campaign. As a conclusion, astrometry and photometry are quickly reported. Coordinated observations as an added value in photometric survey. So we need to stress this, and also access to near-Earth asteroid using large or small facilities means also change the strategy of observations. So this is an example of how we were working for doing photometry for 2005 UD. Thank you.
I actually have a question for you, Maro. If I understand it correctly, the 2012 TC4 observations were taken as participation with the IWAN campaign. Is that correct? Or for the close approach in October of 2017?
Right.
Yes.
Right. Yeah.
Do you plan to actually participate in the 1999 KW4 campaign that's coming up at the end of May?
Of course. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
That's good news.
Thank you.
Patrick.
Patrick Taylor, LPI. I don't know, maybe I missed it, but 2004 FG11 was identified as a binary by radar. So the fact that you see a 7-hour and a 22-hour period could be the primary rotation and the orbital period of the secondary.
This is correct, yeah.
Okay, I thought we had constrained the primary period to be less than 4 hours, so I wonder if the 7 hours is actually just double the primary period somehow.
It is a good point. We can discuss later on. Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Any further questions? Okay, great. Let's thank our speaker again.
Thank you.